Imagine staying in Lebanon right now, man. I heard, it's just a rumour, I heard hands-free headsets. The sales of hand-free headsets have went through the roof. But then, you're running the risk. What if the fucking Mossad has got to the hand-free headsets and you're wearing it in your ear? Fucking blow your fucking head off. As well as your nuts. Or instead of your nuts. Oh man, it's so tragic, it's funny. But if I was you, I would invest in companies that sell hands-free headsets in Lebanon. And if you listen to a lot of the talking heads, commentators, it looks like this is a, what would you call it, a first strike? It's a precursor to a war, full out war. A lot of people are suggesting, you know, rattle their ability to talk to each other. It's going to fuck up any organisation up, innit? Not to mention the paranoia about the supply chains. I mean, people are paranoid about mobile phones. Enough as it is. Now not only will they be thinking about they can track them for smart bombs to come and rain in their head, they'll be thinking, they'll be wondering whether the phone's going to explode in their fucking hand. Oh Jesus Jones, man. But it's just war. 2024, baby. Get it. Got it. Good. Get cheese. Normal service has been resumed. It's Baltic and Grey in Glasgow. Get cheese, no cats, cheese. We're needed in this film now.